Welcome ladies and gentlemen, today I have an exciting unboxing. This is something I've actually purchased, this hasn't been sent out to me. I'm just super pumped to have this because it's by someone that's incredible on YouTube. If you haven't seen him or heard of him, you need to get out of the rock that you're living under right now. So this is the thank you card that came with this parcel. This man right here is called TenHun. You don't know who TenHun is? Educate yourself. On the back here you've got some of his artwork which looks fantastic. It's a unique style that he has of these characters that are in some sort of animal hooded costume or clothing, and it's just a unique perspective to his work. So he has these things that he does in his artwork, certain little characters, so there's instigators and I think they're like ghosts. I can't remember the full name of what they're called, but yeah, you can just tell whose art is what just by that style, plus the colors that he uses, the concept that he uses, and it's a one-off piece, man. One-off piece. That's a little thank you card. This is what we're here for today. This is the TenHun Last Supper jigsaw puzzle, 1,000 pieces, all different cut shaped pieces, so there's not one that is the exact same as the other, which is going to take years to figure out. On the back side is an impossible version, which is just the outline of the image, no color, so it's even harder. And I'm going to try and build it, obviously not in this video. This is just the unboxing, an overall look of what's inside this box. So on the front cover here, it says The Last Supper, jigsaw by TenHun with his logo TenHun. On the front side and back side is a part of the actual jigsaw, which is amazing detail for a box, let me just tell you. This is packing a punch. Then on the right side here it says 1,000 pieces with random cut pieces. It is an 80 centimeter by 41 centimeter or 31.5 inch by 16.14 inches, and it says to find the 3 custom shaped puzzle pieces based on the TenHun's classic characters. On the other side it says who betrayed the heron, solve the hidden codes in the painting as you build the puzzle. 13 character cards included to tell the full story. And then on the back it gives you a little bit about what's inside the box here. You've got a 1,000 piece jigsaw puzzle, a puzzle guide poster, which is just obviously to show you where you're sort of heading towards, custom cloth bag, a checklist of codes to solve, open after finished envelope, 13 character cards and answers to the codes if you can't crack them. And then it says find out who betrayed the heron, and you've got all the different characters within this incredible art piece that he's made here. You can obviously watch the series as well by using the QR code. Go and watch the series, go give him some love. It's an incredible series. So we're going to open this up and see what is inside this glorious box and get this film off it, because I want to crack it open. Karambit time. You got to be super careful. You know, you don't want to scratch the box. The box itself's a bit of art. It's the frame of the Mona Lisa. That's what it is. That's what a box is. Oh, it's matte. Yo, what? That's even better than I thought. So it's this shimmery plastic on top compared to the actual box. The box is matte finish. I did not know that. That plastic threw me right off. That is even better than I thought. Colors even more popping. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the popping colors. You can actually see it. I don't know if you know the story behind this, but this is the Last Supper. This is what obviously Jesus and his disciples. I don't really know the story. I'm not religious, but I just like art, so get with it. This is TenHun's concept of the Last Supper. He added his own puzzle pieces, his own codes, his own clues, and you had to go through and find all of these little pieces, puzzle it together, and who was related to who and all this stuff. Again, it's his classic style. People wearing sort of animal hoods. You got gecko, you got pelican, bunny rabbit, baboon, hammerhead shark, fishes, all the animals that you can think of. Oh man, this box is crazy. This is just the packaging alone. If this is the quality of the packaging, I am excited to see what quality like the puzzle, everything else inside this box. This cost around £40. A lot of people will be like, yo, you pay 40 quid for a puzzle. Well, that's the thing. It's not just a piece of puzzle. Oh man, my voice. That's the thing. It's not just a puzzle. It's obviously supporting someone that makes artwork and is very known for doing so. It's a unique style to art. It's more of buying the art itself. It's not for the puzzle, because once I've made it, I'm going to frame it and stick it on the wall, because it's more of having that, like, it's like having a Banksy, a piece of work from Banksy that you initially bought. Instead, this you have to actually create. So it's kind of cool that you get a bit of both. You get the artwork and you have to make it, so that's worth your money. Crack this box open. Oh my god, that is, yo, this is why I couldn't throw away the box, right? So inside the lid you've got the original sketch, like the original from the iPad printed on the inside of the box. Like, what? And it even says here, sketch in 2022, a roadmap for the complete painting, iPad Pro, Apple Pencil and Procreate original concept sketch. That is incredible. But anyway, what we're here for, the actual Vive la Resistance. Dude, it's like a huge sweet bag. Bear with. That smells hand wrapped. Saying that, I don't think he actually physically hand wrapped all these, so nice. That's more TenHun. Anyway, back to the video. That was weird. Don't know why I did that. This is the custom little tote bag. Hello, what is this? Custom little TenHun tote bag. Yo, you can put all your little sweets in there. Once the puzzle's made, you rock this. People are gonna be like, oh, Oh, he knows. He's TenHun. He knows. We're going to open this up first because I want to see what this is like. Ooh, drawstrings. Ooh, okay. This is going to take years. Look at this piece right here. Look at this piece right here. What even is that piece of puzzle? That's not a shape. That's like 3 puzzle pieces in one. So now I'm intrigued to find these 3 little pieces that are like his iconic characters. I know that I'll be here for 5 years just sieving through hundreds, not even, why am I saying hundreds? It's thousands. It's literally 1,000 pieces to find 3. Could you imagine I just found all 3 like just sitting there? Dude, I don't even know where I'd start with this. Like, where's a corner piece? Oh, hello. I found a corner piece. I'm already on for 1 winner. I'm on the start of a build right here. A corner piece. Well, it's not even a corner piece. No, that's a bottom piece. I just wanted it on the wall. Should have just bought the print. But no, where's the fun in that? No. Don't doubt yourself. You can do this. There's so many bits in there that just look so oddly shaped and I have no clue. Oh, there's 2 pieces already connected. Oh, they started it for me. Look at that. But yeah, anyway, the quality of this is high grade, like, printing for a puzzle. I've never said that because I'm not a massive puzzle person, but that's like, feels like it's, I don't know, like this side, the white side feels like just a standard puzzle, but the coloured side sort of raised up a little bit. It's got like a weird bubbly effect to it. Puffy? No, can't be puffy, that's a weird thing to say. I don't know, but damn, that's weird feeling. I like it. That's premium for a puzzle. Who in the hell thinks premium puzzle? But it's true. It even smells premium. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put that aside because I don't wanna get carried away with just puzzle pieces. I can't stop looking at it. This thing here though, this is sick. There's a little nice little drawstring bag. Keep your socks in there. What could you put in there? Anything, everything. I believe this is the sort of concept. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, there we go. So this here is the actual guide poster. So you look at this and you go, oh right, that's where that piece goes. And then on the back here, you have crack the hidden codes. Wait, there's a chum bucket on this. That's from SpongeBob, I know that. Wait, oh, would you look at that? See, the box itself is a bit of artwork. I want to open this, but I haven't completed it. But I'm not going to be cracking the puzzle. This is an unboxing. So I really need to unbox it all, right? So before I do open this, if you don't want anything spoiled, there'll be a time link where you can skip to after this envelope's been opened. You know, I want to appreciate everyone that might want to end up buying this to figure out the code. But for everyone that's here for the puzzle, the unboxing and the artwork and inside this parcel, you can stick around because I'm opening it. 3, 2, 1, we're going in. Okay, so we're opening up the back piece. Oh, this is nuts. Inside you'll find character profile cards that each tell a piece of the full story with each card you read. Take a look at the secret documents and review the answers to the hidden codes checklist that was in the box. You may also want to pay attention to the names and weights on each card. Wink wink. Once you've reviewed the evidence, take a guess at who betrayed the heroine. Then scan this QR code to read the full story of the Last Supper to find out who betrayed the heroine. Well, I won't be doing that. It would have been pretty cool if this was on like parchment paper. So I don't know if you've ever seen like Dishonored 2, they made a map and it was on like this fabric, this cloth. That would have been cool for this, but because they're double-sided, I guess that's not really feasible. The quality, the price, it's gonna be a lot more if it was on parchment or on some sort of felted cloth. I can understand to keep a budget within reason and make people actually be able to buy it. Card works fine. And it does look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. The quality of it is good. You've got the writing that's somewhat easy, but hard to read at the same time because, you know, I can't read script. That's the part that I'd probably struggle with the code. A unique look to a puzzle. Because they're double-sided, I guess you couldn't really frame these because you'd need both sides of the card, which is kind of upsetting that it wasn't printed on one side. Yeah, they would have to give you like 14 cards if they really wanted to do it so you could frame these next to the puzzle. Again, cost, budget, and all that jazz. It's a harsh world out there. You've got to save every little penny, you know. So these actually have the original concept art on them because you can see the sketching behind it as well, which I like. I like that it's not the fully varnished, like finished drawing. It's the, you know, this is what we're going with, this is what we're going to stick with, and I like that. I'm just reading through these answers and there's some in here that I would have never got. There's Morse code and everything. Like, do people even know what Morse code is anymore? If you said to a Gen Z, oh yeah, Morse code, they'd be like, is that some sort of emoji? This is for intellectual people and I'm not one of them. That's why I'm opening this before I've even finished the puzzle, because I'm here all for the artwork. That's all I'm here for. And just overall aesthetic of having a actual piece of art from 1000. Someone that I've always watched on YouTube when it came down to art inspired me to sort of get back into drawing when I really lost passion for it. So to actually have something from his series that I've watched, as soon as he said this was getting released, I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna bite the bullet, I'm gonna buy it because I could, and I did, and I don't regret it. It's the packaging for me. Like, I don't even care about the puzzle itself. Once it's built, it's going on the wall, end of. But it's the packaging, the quality of it, like everything to do with like the little bits. You don't normally get a puzzle that comes with so many custom parts, which I sound like an old man being excited over a puzzle, because that's what old people do. They're like, oh, this puzzle's like 1,000 pieces. Oh, lovely. No, this is just me being a nerd and liking art. And that's what this is. I've said it about 70 times. Artwork. But I am going to be making this. Once it is finished, it's going on this wall here over near the office, and it's going to look magnificent. I just want to say, when it comes down to buying a frame for this, because it is 80 centimeters by 41 centimeters, the frame you're probably going to best off going for, if you're looking at framing it, is 100 by 50. That's the best I could find on Amazon. I think it was £23 in the UK. The reason I bought the frame before actually building the puzzle is because I'm going to use the frame, because I don't have the floor space or desk space to make the puzzle and leave it sitting around, because my daughter might come in and just knock it, or pick up pieces and walk off with them, put them in her mouth or whatever, draw on it. My idea is to get the frame, build it within the frame, flip it upside down, and then leave it, come back to it, flip it back, open it up, start building it again. That's my idea, and if it works, it's going to look fantastic. If it doesn't work, then I don't know how I'm going to build it, but I will build this. End of. I'm going to try and find one of these pieces. It says on the box, don't drop a piece. I literally dropped a piece. They look a bit like chicken, like a little chicken, top of the chicken head. I have an idea of how to do it. I'll check back in when I've found all three, alright? What do I get if I find all these three? Do I get like a follow on Instagram from TenHun or something? This is how you find the edges, by the way. If you've never done puzzle making, you just sieve through 1,000 pieces like 4 times. And that one, tiny. That's how it's 1,000 pieces. Yo, I found a defect. Yo, TenHun, what do I get for finding a defect? So basically, they've not cut out the crown, or they have cut out the crown. Is that even, I don't know then. I'm confused. Crown piece, which is part of, I'm guessing, the curtain. It is. It's the top of the middle curtain. See this curtain piece here? That's this curtain piece here. And there's this little crown inside of it, but it's like, looks like it's tried to be cut out, but how cool is that? Do you know, the more I'm looking at this, the more I think I actually could build this. There's so many parts I'm already seeing, like, obviously you got the top of the bird head there. There was a piece of the golden, there's another piece of the bird head. Bosh, I've already connected two together. Like, hello, Callum, you're a wizard. Another piece of the puzzle, baby. Just by looking, I looked at this, what, maybe 2-3 times? Already found where the crown went. Already found part of the gold sign there. Already found a bit of the bird's head over here. I'm a wizard at puzzles. That shape there, little tiny piece, is one of the instigators. I'm happy I found an instigator. I'm happy I found a crown, so maybe it weren't even a defect. It was just actually how the puzzle was made. And now I feel stupid. What am I doing with my life? I don't even know anymore. But we're going on a trip in our favourite rocket ship, going through the sky, Mr. Einstein. What was that? I just saw something out the corner of my eye. They are tiny. That's one of them. They are tiny. No! The crown came out. Like zoink scoom. How did I just find that? In almost 1,000 pieces, I found this small little crown. Oh wait, or is that it? Is that them 3? Find the 3 custom shaped puzzle pieces. I think that's it. I think that's the 3 custom shaped puzzle pieces. The crown, the investigators, and the little ghost things. I don't think there's 3 ghosts. I think it's the 3 iconic characters. He always has a crown, always has instigators, and always those little ghosty things, right? I'm gonna go with that's the answer. Well, that is the unboxing experience of the TenHun Last Supper, and the endless hours it may take to build, but there's a lot going on in this box, and I think I'm actually one of the first people to do an unboxing on YouTube, so it would mean a lot if you could leave a like, even tag TenHun, just so you can, you know, be like, yo, I appreciate the video, but still, I appreciate the tremendous effort and hard work that went into actually making this and watching the whole series, beginning to end of the Last Supper till this came out. It's an honour to have this in my hands and to be able to display it to others when they come over and be like, yo, this is artwork. educate yourself. I'm gonna leave it there because it's getting weird and it's late, and I've been doing that for about 2 hours trying to find them 3 little pieces. I finally found them. I haven't even built yet, so yes. If you want to check this out, the link will be in the description. I don't know how long they'll be out for because they do sell out really quick. All of his artwork does, so if you want to get anything, make sure you're fast. Click the link, go to it. tenhunart.com. His YouTube link will also be down below. Leave a like, subscribe, hit notification bell. I'll see you all in the next video, and also the update video once this is made in the frame and on the wall. My name's been Callum. This has been the 10-100 Last Supper puzzle and its accessories, unboxing, and all that jazz. Other than that, stay positive and enjoy life. Until next time.